Hello world, welcome to Jigjiga. Jigjiga is the capital city of the Somali Regional State in eastern Ethiopia. It is one of the fastest growing cities in the Horn of Africa, serving both as the administrative seat of the Fafan Zone and the capital of the region's 15 zones. The city is widely known for its historical Marda mountain, a symbol of resistance and endurance. Jigjiga lies to the east of Ethiopia's capital Addis Ababa at a distance of approximately 610 km. The ancient city of Harar is about 110 km away, while Hargeisa, the capital of Somaliland, lies roughly 160 km in the west. Historical background of Jigjiga. Jigjiga is believed to have originated as a small village that began to grow in the late 19th century, around the time of the colonial expansion. The city expanded rapidly when Emperor Menelik II extended his rule into eastern Ethiopia. Military importance. Jigjiga later became an important military base for the central government of Ethiopia. It hosted military camps and administrative posts. The city's strategic location placed it into two significant routes: the road linking Addis Ababa to Hargeisa and the road leading to Kabridahar and Gode. In 1936 to 1941, during the Ethiopian-Italy conflict, Jigjiga was briefly administered by the Italian forces. They built new structures and roads, which improved the city's connectivity and development. Commercial growth. Despite recurrent conflicts in the region, Jigjiga gradually developed into a commercial hub, a destination attracting settlers and traders. Merchants increasingly arrived from Harar, Diridawa, Hargeisa, Gode, and Kenya. Jigjiga became the capital city of the Somali Regional State in 1995. With the adoption of Ethiopia's federal constitution in 1995, Jigjiga was officially chosen as the capital of the Somali Regional State after Gode. This decision led to construction of government institutions, new universities and schools, rapid population and economic growth. Modern Jigjiga. Today, Jigjiga is a city undergoing continuous expansion. It is home to Jigjiga University, Gradwilwal International Airport, a major commercial market, a strong road link is connecting it to Harar, Hargeisa, and Gode. The city is known for peace and social harmony, a rich Somali culture heritage, a vibrant and rapidly growing business environment. Over the two past decades, Jigjiga has developed significantly. New buildings are emerging everywhere, and commercial remains the backbone of the local economy. The last years, major urban modernization project known as the Corridor Development Initiative has upgraded many of the city's roads and infrastructure. Jigjiga is a welcoming, peaceful, and attractive city, admired for its culture, hospitality, and offers a number of opportunities for livelihood and investment, and it warmly embraces anyone interested in contributing to its growth. If you ever visit Jigjiga, don't miss the chance to explore the beautiful Karamarda mountain. Thank you for watching this video.